Hi, my name is Pierre.
And I'm Eileen.
Welcome to our house. Our theme for this renovation would be modern, more to modern luxury. The best part of the house, which is behind me, which is the display cabinet. The display cabinet, we have put a lot of effort in designing it. Also, we engaged Justin with his professional inputs, how we have to design the whole cabinet out with, also with our budget and also the design that we wanted. So it's always practicality versus design. So another part which I like the most is the Buddha altar also, which I every day will pray to and also will do my morning prayers. Yeah, that will be the two favorite part of my renovation with chapter 13. During which, in the process, we did mention about how do we want to shift the shelf if, let's say, the size of the Lego or the Marvel figurines is too large to put in. So Justin advised us on the AA tracks, which you can shift the shelving as you wish. So I think that is a very good idea if those people like me who collects figurines and also for collection, this will be perfect for you. Yeah, I will definitely recommend chapter 13 and look out for Justin because he's a very hardworking and responsible designer. Because due to my hectic works, right, I always need to call him in several hours, even during night hours. He does not shy away from his work. He did also advise us how we can proceed to it, and he also personally come down to our house to see the renovation stage. He also coordinates well with the contractor. I did not have to worry at all. So from that 2 months of renovation, we did come down only one or twice, and he did a fabulous job. When he handed it over to me, we were impressed and very delighted and happy to receive it. Thumbs up for him. Goodbye, bye.
Renopedia, the most engaging online renovation media.